Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel LOvart. That is a fast AI design agent. We are going to show you about this platform in a fully detailed where we can also use Nano Banana Pro for image generation, and there is CDANS 2.0 for the video creation. And you can even edit your image. Even the results are really fascinating and impressive. Mostly to stop at imagination, but LOvart goes further. AI that actually complete the work from design to presentation. We are also going to show you in today's video complete workflow all in one place. That is also on the LOvart. If for the joining, you can also click on the Get Start, and here is Google option Apple, and you can put your email ID. You can verify that you are going to continue, and in this way, you can also generate your account. This is the whole interface where you can check your profile. That will be shown here that you can also upgrade with the credit, and there are also the plans. You can check Next Gen GPT, Midge 2 is also here. You can also upgrade your plans or what is suitable to you. You can get the number of credit in your account. I have already, so here you can also check successfully. These are the number I have on in my account. Now, this is also the dashboard where you can see some more detail that is really fascinating. Like if we select one of them, and I'll show you, this is the board where you can write what type of art you need. Either using GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana Pro for image generation, you can easily select here. For video generation, CDANS 2.0, that is fully functional. And we are also going to show you in today's video. So if you want to continue, you can easily click on this plus sign, and then you will also check the next dashboard. Here are some skills that LOvart skills. You can choose video creations with CDANS 2.0. There is also logo generator. Everything you can easily select here, and there is also more details like for the model choosing. You can easily select for image generation. There is GPT-2. There is Nano Banana Pro for video. You can use fully functional CDANS 2.0. There is CDANS 2.0 fast premium service. This is also even there is also 3D modeling too. You can check what the model is going to offering you. So for now, we are going to select here for imagination. So I am going to select this, and then we can easily go ahead. There is also the same dashboard that we can see. And here is the skills we have selected here. Like for the video, if we can choose CDAS 2.0, but for the imagination, we can choose here image gen. And then we can also put the prompt what type of image I want. There is also the quality, and there is scale. I need 16 by 9 in the 4K resolution. We can create here images, and now we are going to click on this option as credit, and this is how we can also proceed. And there are also the dashboard. Where is it? No offense, you can easily check out. Here is 4K result have been produced by LOvart Imagination Nano Banana Pro for the image creation. And here you can also click on it if you want to edit more on the dashboard. Here is the eraser option. Even you can also erase, you can select here, like I am going to select one character that should be finished, and I want to remove anything that I want to remove from the picture. I have selected here. Now you can check, and there's intensity, and we are going to click on the run option. Guys, the result have been given here, and now you can easily check out. This is the character in picture we have to be erased, and then you can also see in the next picture there is no object. In this way you can also erase anything. Now we are also going to select here this image, and here I want to remove it. And now we again select with other like BG remove. And then you will also check select here next background have been removed. You can also check out in one click. So in this way you can also proceed. Here is next about, there is edit element. You can also click on it, and then there are also the more addition. As editing element, you can also check it is also being implemented on the image. Now you can see everything in a fully layer. Yes, there are also layer 1, layer 2 that we can also select here. There is also third one. We can also manage it. So we can also take it, and then it will be implement. Here is also the next option we can select here, and it will be moved. And there we can also download in exporting PST. Then there will be every layer, everything will be as in editing element. So now I'm going to remove it. Like here you can see one layer by layer. It is going to be finished. And now there is also the next option. There is multi-angle. This is also a good point here we have seen. Yes, there we have to select the image that it should be also like this. This angle And there we can also rotate it as we can. There's also the tilt option we can easily select here. And then we can also go for our medium scale. So I am going to put the scale option that how it looks like. So after next, we have to click on the run option and then result will be given to. After multi-angle, we can also select here, this was at the front and this is also what we have tilted the camera. So I am going to remove this and like there is also what I have selected, sorry. So here I am going to select the second image and this is the main original one. And I am also going to implement again multi-camera. So here I am going to choose camera should also be on this side. And there is also the tilt with that. And here is also the scale. I want to be in close. So here, and now we are also coming to next option to click on the run option. And then there will be next export. You can guys easily check. Multi-angle have been implemented from this picture to a next one, and you can also check their defense chip. In this way, you can also implement their multi-angle, as there is also the camera we can select here, and image will also be used to. So here we can also select how it should be, image, and what should be rotate value, tilt, everything we can easily select here, and click on the run option, and then it will be implemented to the picture we have selected. Many other options like mockup, there is also the expand, adjust that you can easily rotate and flip. Everything can also be done on this. And now I am going to here, like there is also the mark option. We can easily select, and there is also the marker if you want to add it to picture. For more options, guys, you have already checked out how hand tool work, and there is also the selecting tool. Next is about mark. You can easily select and click on the image, and then it will be marked successfully. You can easily see the effect here at this place, where you can also see the image have been marked here. You can also make changes by writing anything into it. And now, like if I want to get some changes in it, like here I have given the prompt, like make the color size that should be into pink for line actually. So now we can also generate it. You can now see the result is here. My favorite feature that I love the most with Touch Edit, it let easily fine-tune details, and that also new move object function. I can exact what the result I need here using my mouse. This is loving feature, and making font generator. So now all this is how we can also edit image generation to edit, and we can now move to next one. For that, like here, I'm going to select here for video generation, and the model I am going to use here, CDance 2.0, as well as I will also show you CDance 2.0 fast, how it works. So first we are going to select CDance 2.0 with premium, and after that we can also give here the image. So here I am going to click on it. As for my device, I am going to select, and there is also the picture we have generated, and click on the next option. And this is also as for reference, image have been generated, like have been uploaded here. Now we are also going to select here for video generation. There is CDance 2.0. Even you can also add some audio and other video for reference. So you can also give the prompt to, as I have already attached here. And now we have also the other option, how many seconds. We can also create a video 15 seconds with 1080p, and there is the scale I need 16:9. And in this way you can also select all these settings, and after that there is also basic lens, like there is zoom out, moving camera around the subject. Yes, it should be implemented. Here I have selected now, and after doing all these options here, once all the settings have been done, we can click on the next creation option. Result has been produced, and you can also check out to how it looks, and then it is also working perfectly. On the screen you can also check out, it looks really impressive. Click on it, there is download, there is also removing background in the video. We can easily change that also. If you want to add, you can easily click on it, and other version will also be ready here. You can guys now check out, there is also removing background, and this is the video. Guys, what video we have created now using the CDAS 2.0. As we have already shown you the result on the screen now, you can also select, and here is also the quality you can easily set. Like 2K, there is 4K resolution. We are going to set and click on the run option, and then there will be another result to upscale that video. You guys can also check out the output. There is also the length by width, and there's scaling size, and here is also the other one. It's mean it's more high resolution. So we can easily in this, guys, you have a good platform for all the services used in CDS 2.0 for video creation, for image generation, Nano Grana Pro, for the 4K resolution. There is branding, e-commerce. You can also make the brochure design, and there are many templates. You can also use that. What your design for your video creation, everything I have shown you. Now it's your turn to join. Link in my video description I have given, and you can also share your experience in comment box. I will appreciate it.